Merry Christmas. I need coffee.
Should we wake Casella up since Keelan's... Should we get her first? Hi! Merry Christmas! It's Jesus' birthday! Say happy birthday, Jesus!
Happy birthday, Jesus.
She sleeps with my picture. Oh, that's cute.
Are you ready to open your presents?
Let's get Sissy!
I get Sissy.
Okay, you go get Sissy. Come on! Go in and say, Merry Christmas, Sissy!
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas!
Say happy birthday, Jesus! Let's take your sleep sack off. All right, you ready?
Are you waking up?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, Mommy will take the video camera. Okay, Kaylin wanted Daddy, not Mommy. That's a first.
Okay, go out there.
Yeah.
You guys ready for Christmas?
Yeah.
Gonna open your presents. Presents. Okay, let's go see what you got.
Whoa!
Let's see what you got under the tree.
Which one's
Nope,
yours?
that one's Kaylin's.
I open
That one's Kaylin's.
here. You can. Mama.
Wait, Casella, this one's yours. Here, you open yours. What is that? Dora. Dora.
That's my Barbie girl.
Your Barbie girl.
Yeah. Barbie girl. Yeah. Kaylin's Barbie girl.
Kaylin, do you see the big kitty cat?
Oh,
a
that's
big
your kitty cat.
And that's my bike.
Yeah, is that yours?
Yeah.
Elmo.
Is that your scooter?
Elmo.
Yeah.
What else is in your stocking?
Look at this cat. She's hugging the cat. Give the cat a hug.
I know.
Yeah.
That's smart. Oh, she kissed it. You need some help?
Yeah.
Here, Daddy will help you.
Ouch. Daddy to help me. Ow. Yeah.
Kitty cat.
Look at.
Are those big girl underwear?
Yeah.
With Minnie Mouse on them.
What's this?
A movie. Yeah.
It's a Dr. Seuss.
It's Dr. Seuss.
Got that on camera.
Excuse me.
What else is in your stocking? That's Casella's new helmet.
Look at your helmet for your scooter.
It's like my scooter. I like my scooter.
Whoa. Is it too tall? We can adjust that. Oh, it's perfect.
Yeah, good job.
How does she know how to do it?
I don't know. You're gonna turn the handlebar. There you go.
Good job, Casella.
Look at your kitty cat.
Say hi. Merry Christmas. Oh, she loves that cat.
Kaylin, what's this?
We have a tone. Elmo. Wait,
Elmo.
We have
Here.
tone. Elmo. Elmo.
Elmo.
I chewed it.
Dr. Seuss and Elmo. Alright, what else you got in here, Casella?
Elmo. Cans.
Ooh, look at markers.
Marcus. Elmo.
What's that? Hold on. No,
Wait,
no.
wait.
You gotta wait. Ooh, look, remember that from the store?
Oh.
It's lip gloss.
This is lip gloss for your lips.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Here's a big lip gloss for your lips. Here, I'll help you.
Pick up the cap.
Okay, put it on your lips. This. Okay, go.
Don't worry, she knows how to do it.
There you go. Lip gloss.
I get one so sissy.
Go.
I get one so sissy.
They know how to do it.
That's awesome. Mommy got you a brush.
It's to brush my hair.
Yeah.
And get my helmet out.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I'm out.
Your ponytail.
Yeah. After I brush my hair.
Now you're gonna have crazy hair.
Oh. I guess I should have gotten Kaylin one too.
There, show mommy your hair.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It's tingly.
It's tangly. Okay, help Kaylin.
Okay, here, let's give this back to Sissy. Here you go. What's in yours, Kaylin? Here's yours. What's in there? It's a smock.
Gah!
Cat! Look, you got a brush too! You got a brush too! Yeah! What else is in here?
Here, don't lose the
It's
lid to your lip
Cookie
gloss.
Monster.
Put this on your lip gloss, Casella.
And some crayons. What else? What else? It's Cookie Monster. Just trying to hold everything. Nom nom nom.
I can find
Oh,
it.
and Ernie. Kind of.
Gah! Gah!
All done. We need to take an intermission to open their diapers.
I don't.
Alright. Say diaper change time, Casella.
I'm not opening the present.
Hold on, we gotta change your diaper first. Say Merry Christmas.
My Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Kaylin. Say Merry Christmas. Say see ya.
See ya.